possibilities, progress often begins with a simple act of giving. At L&T, we believe in rising by lifting others. Along with marking our global presence, every aspect of business at Larsen & Toubro is characterized by sustainability. Situated at the banks of River Tapi, the AM Naik Heavy Engineering Complex in Hazira, Surat. From its very inception, we have been driven by the values of compassion, responsibility, and a shared vision for a better future. Our corporate social responsibility is focused on 6 key areas: education, water and sanitation, skill building, rural infrastructure, health, environment. From making the quality education reach the last mile, we begin with the fundamentals by strengthening educational infrastructures to improve digitalization, learning and teaching environment in schools, and promoting use of technology and hands-on learning processes for preparing students with 21st century skills.
આપણે જ્યારે ભણીએ છીએ તો ટીચર આપણને જે સમજાવે છે તે સમજ તો પડે છે, પણ ડિજિટલમાં આપણે તે વસ્તુનું ચિત્ર જોઈએ છે તો આપણે જ્યારે પરીક્ષામાં તેને લખીએ તો આપણને યાદ આવે છે.
With experiments, learning comes alive at remote rural schools, where mobile science van ignites curiosity among young learners. Our programs such as Umang and Niramaya prioritize the mental and physical well-being of students. Initiatives like Pustak Pushpa promote reading habits.
આ મોબાઈલના યુગમાં બાળકો પુસ્તકો તરફ વળી અને પુસ્તકો દ્વારા આ ખૂબ સારું નોલેજ પ્રાપ્ત કર્યું, પોતાનું શિક્ષણમાં સુધાર્યું, જનરલ નોલેજ સુધાર્યું અને બાળકો બુક પ્રત્યે રસ રુચિ રાખતા થયા.
While motivational sessions led by industry experts inspire students to dream big and pursue careers they once considered out of their reach.
મને લાઈફ સ્કિલની અંદર જીવન કૌશલ્ય કઈ રીતે જીવવું તેના વિશે માહિતી મળી. આર્ટ એન્ડ ક્રાફ્ટની અંદર મેં નમૂના રેડી કર્યા. જે સપનું છે તે આર્ટ એન્ડ ક્રાફ્ટને લખ્યું છે તેનાથી હું આર્ટ એન્ડ ક્રાફ્ટનો શિક્ષક અથવા તો આર્ટ એન્ડ ક્રાફ્ટનું મારી આર્ટ બતાવીને મારી કમાઈ કરીશ.
Through these holistic approaches, we aim to empower students to realize their full potential and embrace a brighter future. In the coastal geography of Hazira, villages face severe shortage of safe and clean drinking water. Our initiative focuses on providing a sustainable solution to ensure clean, safe, and permanent drinking water security to villagers. With access to clean water, they no longer need to travel long distances to fetch it, freeing up time for them to engage in income-generating activities.
ખારું પાણી દરિયા કિનારે મળે એટલે પાણી ખારું નીકળતું, એટલે પશુને પાવાનું હમણાં પડતું ને હવે વાપરતા તો હમણાં આપડા પડતું એ બીમાર પડતા હોય ને હવે પાણી સારું આવે છે એટલે હવે બીમારી ઓછી છે.
By developing ponds and developing groundwater recharge systems, we are ensuring not only the availability of water, but also the conservation of natural resources in coastal villages. Clean water and sanitation are essential in rural schools. Facilities and access to drinking water guarantees a safe and hygiene atmosphere and prevent absenteeism. Through our skill-building initiatives like Aadhar and Computer Shakti, we offer hands-on training in basic and advanced tailoring and designing, beautician skills, and computer courses. These programs are led by industry experts and feature a thoughtfully crafted curriculum, ensuring that participants receive the highest quality education possible. These efforts have enabled the women and youth to directly improve livelihoods, enabling them to achieve financial independence and support their families.
जब मैं बिहार से आई तो मेरे को पता चला कि इधर मतलब पार्लर का कोर्स चल रहा है. पार्लर सीख के अच्छे से फिर उसके बाद मैं ओपनिंग भी अपना कर दी. अभी तो 1 महीना हुआ मेरा पार्लर का ओपनिंग किया हुआ और उसमें 8-9 हज़ार कमाई.
An acknowledgement of their hard work and perseverance. The government recognized certificates received after training enables them to explore professional opportunities. Social infrastructure development in rural areas bridges the gap between basic needs and a better life. We develop community halls, Anganwadi centers and production room for audio recording at blind schools and developing learning facilities. We aim to lead a foundation for a more connected, empowered and hopeful future. The community develops a sense of ownership and pride when women gather for conducting regular self-help group meetings and children find a safe space to learn, play and grow in Anganwadi centers. We believe that access to quality healthcare is a fundamental right for every individual, regardless of where they live. At Community Health Center, we initiated a comprehensive upgrade of their healthcare infrastructure. A dedicated mobile medical van reaches the remotest areas providing healthcare services directly to doorsteps. To support the healthcare centers in responding swiftly to medical emergencies, Larsen & Toubro has provided fully equipped ambulance vehicles. Through our efforts towards relief during COVID-19 outbreak, we supported the municipal hospitals and the rural communities. This comprehensive approach strengthens the overall healthcare system. To combat climate change and its impact, we have initiated mass tree plantations and developed kitchen gardens in rural schools. For protecting coastlines and supporting biodiversity, mangrove colonies have been developed. Our efforts of promoting the use of solar energy has led to rural schools running on renewable sources, hence reducing the carbon footprints. We are proud to foster a culture of caring, where our employees too are champions of change, whether it's nurturing young minds through educational initiatives or contributing to environmental sustainability. Our employees step forward to support causes that create lasting change.
I always try to manage or want to join each and every activity. अगर फेवरेट एक्टिविटी के लिए पूछें तो लाइक रोबोटिक्स क्लास, मुझे बच्चों को पढ़ाना बहुत पसंद है.
Through their volunteer efforts, L&Ters not only enhance the lives of those they serve, but also gain invaluable experiences that enrich their own personal and professional growth.
तो एज अ पार्ट ऑफ L&T CSR અમે લોકો અલગ અલગ સ્કૂલોમાં, હોસ્પિટલોમાં, એન્જિનિયરિંગ કોલેજોમાં જઈને CSR અંડરમાં ફાયર સેફ્ટી ટ્રેનિંગ આપી છે. લગભગ 8,000 જેવા વિદ્યાર્થીઓને શિક્ષકોને લોકોને ટ્રેનિંગ આપી છે.
We take pride in celebrating the dedication and selflessness of our L&Ters by felicitating them, recognizing their commitment to making a difference.
जैसे कि हमने एंथम में देखा है कि जिस मिट्टी से पैदा हुए हम, तर्ज उस जमी का चुकाए, और L&Ters के साथ में हाथ रख कर के बढ़े हम, जब तक हमारा गोल अचीव ना हो जाए, हमारी मंजिल मिल ना जाए.
Through the diverse initiatives, Larsen & Toubro at Hazira is making a meaningful contribution towards achieving the sustainable development goals and building a more equitable and sustainable future for all. Empowering lives, transforming communities, our journey to a sustainable future continues.